Hey friends, very good morning. Welcome to another most interesting video of FX Yogi. Today's video would be the last part of the top cryptocurrency myths, part 4. Number 7. Cryptocurrencies will replace fiat currency. Cryptocurrencies are relatively new, while fiat currencies have been around for centuries. China is generally thought to have issued the first fiat currency around the year 1000 CE. Many developed countries use this type of currency. For cryptocurrency to replace fiat currency, people would have to adopt it over the money they are used to and can understand. However, once value and purchasing power is established, it is possible that it could happen. If merchants began posting prices in cryptocurrency and more people began using it to purchase goods and services, it might start a trend. However, governments and officials will not let go of fiat currency lightly because of the established system of controls in place for collecting taxes and funding government-sponsored programs and services. Without the collection of taxes, social programs that people depend upon will disappear, and other government funding could dry up. Moreover, there would be no way to control inflation through monetary policies due to the decentralized nature of cryptocurrency. The modern tools used by central banks to combat inflation and unemployment while boosting economic growth have taken over 100 years to develop. The complete decentralization of money through cryptocurrency would have unknown effects on a country's economy because blockchain technology and cryptocurrency do not have any built-in tools for influencing inflation, employment, or economic growth. A new monetary policies and tools would need to be created. Number 8. Cryptocurrencies are a fad. At one time, computers, the internet, and email were considered interesting only to a small crowd of tech fans. They are now staples of modern personal and work life. It is tough to predict where cryptocurrencies will be in the next few decades. However, the technology they introduced and the products they inspired will likely continue to be developed and redefined. Decentralized finance applications are taking shape, gathering the interest of financial institutions and consumers. Governments are exploring ways to implement legally recognized cryptocurrencies pegged to an asset that is more stable in price, and some businesses are investing heavily in Bitcoin and altcoins. Tech giants are researching ways to fuse the real and digital worlds, using blockchain technology as a building block for this fusion with non-fungible tokens created for anything imaginable. Tokens can be created for any asset and value assigned to them. The virtual and real worlds are being directed onto a collision course, and cryptocurrency is likely to be involved. That's all for today. Let's catch up in the next video with more interesting content. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.